Welcome back to BinaryBio. If you're interested in bioinformatics and problem solving, you're in the right place. Starting this week, we are moving to a brand new schedule. Mondays will be dedicated to Rosalind problem solving to sharpen your coding skills. And Thursdays will be our deep dive series AI models for biology in 5 minutes. Today, we're kicking off that Thursday series by stripping away the jargon and looking at the powerful architectures changing how we understand life. And there is no better place to start than the model that recently changed everything AlphaFold 3. In the world of biology, shape is everything. A protein's 3D structure determines how it functions, whether it's fighting a virus, building a muscle, or triggering a disease. For 50 years, predicting that shape from a simple genetic sequence was considered biology's grand challenge. AlphaFold 2 famously solved this for single proteins, earning its creators a Nobel Prize in 2024. But as any bioinformatician knows, life doesn't happen in isolation. AlphaFold 3 is a massive architectural evolution. While its predecessor was a protein specialist, AlphaFold 3 is a molecular generalist. It models the entire interactome. This means it doesn't just predict a single protein, it predicts how proteins, DNA, RNA, and drug molecules all bind together into one functional machine. It's the difference between seeing a single gear and seeing how the entire watch fits together. So, how does it achieve this level of detail? It moves from residue level prediction to all atom prediction. Earlier models looked at amino acids as single blocks. AlphaFold 3 looks at every individual atom, whether it's in a protein chain or a small drug molecule. The architecture uses a two-step process. First is the Pairformer. This is a highly specialized version of the transformer technology inside ChatGPT. It takes the alphabet of life, sequences of amino acids and nucleic acids, and figures out the spatial relationships between them. It uses a mechanism called triangular attention to ensure geometric consistency. If atom A is close to atom B and B is close to C, the pairformer ensures the distance between A and C makes physical sense. It's essentially learning the universal grammar of how molecules touch and interact. The second part is the diffusion module, and this is the real breakthrough. Instead of trying to fold the molecule physically like older versions, it uses generative AI, the same technology behind AI image generators like Midjourney or DALI. It starts with a cloud of random atoms, essentially molecular static, and slowly denoises them. Over multiple steps, it shifts every atom into its most mathematically stable position until a high resolution 3D structure emerges. This shift to a generative model allows AlphaFold 3 to handle a huge range of chemical entities without needing special rules for each one. Whether it's a metal ion, a sugar, or a complex synthetic drug, the diffusion process treats them all as atoms that need to find their place. For those of us in bioinformatics, this is the ultimate problem solving tool. In drug discovery, finding a molecule that fits into a protein pocket used to take years of expensive trial and error in a wet lab. AlphaFold 3 is nearly 50% more accurate than previous methods at predicting these interactions. We are moving from a world of accidental discovery to a world of intentional engineering. Imagine designing a new cancer treatment that targets a specific mutated protein while ignoring healthy ones, or creating enzymes that can break down plastic at room temperature. AlphaFold 3 gives us the blueprint to do this in days, not decades. In 2026, personalized medicine is no longer a buzzword. It's a reality for patients with ultra rare genetic diseases. By using the AlphaFold server to model a specific patient's unique mutation, researchers can now visualize exactly how that single letter change in DNA breaks a protein's shape. This allows for the rapid design of custom chaperone molecules meant for one person and one person only. This atomic revolution has been further accelerated by the 2025 open source release of the model's weights, which has turned AlphaFold 3 into the standard operating system for every bioinformatics lab on the planet. As we look toward the rest of the series, remember that AlphaFold is just the beginning. While it tells us what these machines look like, our next models will show us how to speak their language. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Binary Bio. We're here to help you navigate the intersection of code and biology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.